Introducing the new member of the SuperSpectral family, SuperSpectral Core. Down to the core of the crime. Compact, fast, and effective. Let's consider a situation where we have two different types of evidence. First, scan the evidence from a distance to locate evidence. The built-in compact lens of the SuperSpectral Core enables you to perform scanning from distances of up to 3 meters. As you can see, there is a stain that appears to resemble an evidence. SuperSpectral Core seamlessly shifts between far and near capture through an integrated in-out optical system, all within one compact lens. As you can see, the glow and shape of the stain has become much more visible. To understand what type of evidence it may be, you normally need experience in how different substances react under different lights and filters. Or, you can simply use the smart buttons. With these pre-configured buttons, you can conduct a preliminary assessment regarding the evidence. There is more behind these stains than what the eye can see. We have two different types of evidence here, and by switching between different light and filter combinations, you can see how our evidence that does not appear under one combination becomes visible under another. And the right evidence can only be revealed with the right tool.
Maximum evidence, minimum expertise. For In Scope, visit our website for more updates and get a demo to catch the future of forensics.